Hello people, welcome to my screen and thank you for joining me. Right in front of me right here, I have the CADJPY on the daily time frame. So let's dive into the chart analysis on CADJPY. Let's see how CADJPY is about to move. Is it moving to the upside or it wants to move to the downside? So let's dive into the chart analysis. Now before I move on, smash that subscribe button right there. You have 5 seconds to do that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's proceed with the chart analysis on card JPY. Now on my previous video on card JPY, I called card JPY to come right here, provided that this intermediate level of resistance is taken out, and now it looks like that level has taken out and has been taken out, and price should elevate to this resistance level right here. So now before we start proceeding further, so let's go back to the higher time frame to have a clear picture on CADJPY. Now with this trend right here, with this immediate trend, we can see that CADJPY is on a bullish trend. It has been pushing to the upside for since many months back, and up to now it's still trending to the upside. Look at it. Look at the trend. The trend is bullish on the higher time frame. Is bullish, creating consecutive series of higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. Now price breakout, when price push right here, higher low, higher high, higher low, it created an higher low here, and ever since it has hold right here on this level of support, previous level of support. In the past, this level was acting as a resistance level until price break and close above it, and price later push back down to retest that level, to make that level support major level. My mouse is lagging again. What happened? Okay. Now right here. Now even on the weekly time frame, CADJPY form it's kind of forming a trend reversal. We have a left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and that was on my last previous video that on CADJPY when I say that what is just holding this CADJPY price from pushing to the downside is this support level right here. If the support level is cleared, CADJPY price will fall to the downside. So but now unfortunately, with what I'm seeing, I don't think that is going to hold. Because on the daily, on the weekly time frame, I can see a chart pattern, a small chart pattern, double bottom forming right here. This is a double bottom. Price attempted this major level of support twice, and that level reversed that price back up. We have this level has been tested for multiple times, could not break through, and now what I'm seeing right now is that this level, this price is going to rally to the upside on this level of resistance right here. And also if I draw out the trend line, let's draw out the trend line. Let's see. Draw out the trend line like so. We have we have the first trend line right here. We have the first touch, second touch, third touch. Price was moving on this trend line, taking to the upside, and now price was able to break and close below the trend line, and when that happened, this level of support hold that price from pushing over. Like I said earlier, what is just holding this price from pushing lower is this support level right here. And if that support level is cleared, if price should break that support level, we should see price pushing back down. But now, even on the weekly time frame, a small chart pattern has formed, this which is telling us that what we are going to see, which tell us that what we should see price pushing back up to this resistance level right here. And also if I bring out the second trend line, from right here and drag it to the upside, we can see that you can see we have the first touch, we have the second touch right here. So so definitely price should push up right here, and later in the future come to attempt this trend line for the third attempt. From there, if that should break, price should what should go down. But for now, with what I'm seeing right here now, we have to treat what you see. No, I mean we have to treat what you see, not what we think. Now the trend is pointing to the upside, and now so what we are going to be looking for right now will be what buying, more of buying opportunity, and also this is looking like a trend continuation to the upside right here. If I draw out the central line, we are still on the weekly time frame. We are still on the weekly time frame, and as we can see right here, this is looking like a trend continuation chart, a trend continuation, provided that all we just have to ensure that price all we just have to ensure that what price break out of this trend line right here, and to push price back up right here. We have the first touch, we have the second touch. If the third attempt, like I do say that if the like I do say that the third attempt of the trend line always does the trick. If the third attempt is able to break out of this of this level right here, we should see CADJPY price elevating to attempt this major level of resistance. From there, breakout is coming right here. So now let's go to the various time frame. Now right here, now on the daily time frame, now on the daily time frame, now right here on the daily time frame, this was the trend line that I draw from. On the weekly time frame, we have the first touch, we have the second touch, we have the third touch. Price has even break and close. Price has even break out of the trend line, and it's pointing to the upside, and also the intermediate minor level of resistance. Price has break out of it, and what it has break out and is retesting that level now to push that price to the upside. Now we should be looking for one more buying opportunity on CADJPY. Reason because first of all, price has break out of a trend line. One, even the intermediate level of resistance, price has break and close above it. It retesting that level. Once that is done, we might even see price coming right here to attempt, to test the outer part of this trend line to push the price back up. But now with what I'm seeing right now, CADJPY is starting that what it should keep elevating to the upside right here. So now and now on the daily time frame right here, now we have a double bottom on this major level of support. Sitting on this major level of support, we have the first price pushed back down, attempted this support level, could not break that level. It pushed back up again. It retraced, came back to attempt it. In fact, this is looking like a triple bottom. We had the first attempt, we have the second attempt. Just that it came shy of this second attempt right here, and price push up. It came back again for the third attempt, and that level was strong enough to reverse that price up. And this is looking like a double bottom. A triple bottom, double bottom is still a chart pattern. So we have the first attempt, we have the second attempt, we have the third attempt. So this level is going to hold, and we should see CADJPY price elevating to this future level of resistance right here. So we should see CADJPY price elevating to this future level of resistance right here. Now I also do a like I said earlier, I also have a minor level of resistance right here, and I said that provided that was on my previous video, that provided that price was able to break and close above this level, above this above this resistance level, previous level of support on resistance, CADJPY price should elevate. When my CC price can still push back down again to test this outer part of this trend line. From there, price will just continue pushing over. But now with what I'm seeing right here on the daily time frame, on the higher time frame trend is bullish. So now when we come, and even on the higher time frame, it was acting like we are going to have a trend reversal, head and shoulder chart pattern. But on that was on the weekly time frame. But but also price has come to a price has hit a strong level of support, and that level of support has even formed a trend reversal on that level, which tell us that what we should see price pushing back up right here. So CADJPY price to this level right here. So now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Now, right here now on the 4-hour time frame, where we can see more details. This was the breakout. It has retested that level right now. It has rejected that level right now, and we can and from here, like I've said earlier, price can still push back down again to test this outer part of the neckline, or price can just continue pushing to the next level target of resistance right here. So now we so now it is certain that what it is certain that what we should see price we should see price picking out of this level right here. Look at it. Let me adjust this properly. Good. So now we should see price breaking out of this trend line right here, break out of it, and price on and CADJPY price will elevate to this future level of support right here. So now, if you look at the left hand side, when this price start pushing up, where is the next level target that CADJPY price might likely head to? We have this level right here. When price gets here, when price should start pushing up right here, it's coming to this green bar right here. And when this green bar is cleared, if this green bar is cleared, CADJPY price will move right here. So now CADJPY so now we have seen a direction that CADJPY price wants to go. Price take out of this, price should bounce off right here. We need to see a bounce off. We need to see a bullish engulfing candle. At least from here, it will come here, get here, break this level, is coming right here. So that is that on CADJPY. Thank you for staying tuned to this end of this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.